Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull as a beginner. First, download the Webull app from your App Store and create an account. You'll need to provide some personal information and link your bank account for funding. Once registered, take a moment to explore the intuitive interface and familiarize yourself with the main navigation tabs. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready to dive into trading. Now that your account is set up, it's time to fund it. Link your bank account securely to make deposits and withdrawals. We recommend starting with at least $100 to give you some flexibility. Once funded, navigate to the search bar, type in a stock symbol, and hit the trade button. You can choose between market orders for immediate execution or limit orders for a specific price. Webull is packed with features to help you succeed. Create customizable watch lists to keep an eye on your favorite stocks and potential investments. Access real-time market data and breaking news directly within the app, helping you stay informed. Don't forget to try the paper trading feature, which lets you practice strategies with virtual money before committing your actual funds. It's a great way to build confidence. Beyond the basics, Webull offers powerful analytical tools. Dive into advanced charting to identify trends and patterns, using indicators like moving averages and Bollinger Bands. You can also set up custom alerts for specific stock prices or news events, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. These features empower you to make more informed trading decisions and manage your portfolio effectively, even as a beginner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.